Assalamu alaikum. Achoo. Alhamdulillah. Oh yeah, this is a perfect time to tell you dua when we sneeze. That dua is Alhamdulillah. I want to hear you say the dua, so say it 3 times. Listening. MashaAllah, you have a very beautiful voice. Did you know if someone is near a person who sneezed, the other person must say Yarhamukullah. The person who sneezed after that must say Yahdikumullah usli balakum. Let me show you an example. Achoo. Alhamdulillah. Yahrakumullah. Yahdikumullah usli balakum. To see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to Al Quran TV. And make sure you like this video and share it with your family and friends. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.